morning, children. This is your first GK class. In the first chapter, we are going to learn about the various forms of dance of the world. So, let's start. Do you like dancing? Identify and write the names of some of the dance forms of the world given below. Okay, the first dance form. The dance is a theatrical dance in which a formal academic dance technique combines with other artistic elements such as music, costume, and stage scenery. The dancers wear special shoes to balance easily on tiptoe. The name of this dance form is ballet. They use a special shoes because the dance in this dance the body part tiptoe has an important role, and there is a special for special shoes. They have to wear a special shoes when they performing this dance. Look at the picture. This is a shoe the ballet dancer wear when they dancing. Let's see a clip of ballet dance. The next dance form is the waltz. The waltz is a ballroom dance performed by a couple who turn rhythmically round and round with a swaying motion as they progress around the dance floor. Okay, this is mainly a duo dance. There are two people, mainly a couple, a man and a woman. They are swinging. They are dance in a swinging motion, and they dance all around the stage round and round. So let's see the waltz dance. Next dance form is called Bhangra. You can see Bhangra, known as folk dance and music of northwestern India. Bhangra is the popular music genre that emerged from it in the mid to late 20th century. Okay, this is a mainly mid to 20th century dance, and they mostly found in the northwestern India. This is mainly a group dance. Okay, let's see the Bhangra. Next dance form called flamenco. The flamenco is a form of song and dance commonly associated with the Andalusian gypsies of southern Spain. This is mainly the dance of the country Spain, and there is a community called gypsies. They perform this dance very beautifully. Let's see flamenco. Next dance form is tap dance. The tap dance receives its name from the clicking sound produced by the special shoes with metal plates attached to the toe and heel. Okay, the tap dance, the name tap comes from a sound that the dancers make by their toe and heel, and in order to make that sound, there is a metal plate attached to the toe and heel. So let's take a look of tap dance. Next dance form named tango. The tango is a social dance that originated in Buenos Aires and is characterized by rhymes and abrupt pauses. Okay, in this dance there are abrupt pauses to make it more beautiful and attractive, and it is mainly originated came from Buenos Aires. So take a look of the dance tango. Let's move to the next chapter, that is medical devices. In this chapter we are going to learn about some medical devices that are generally used for various purposes. So let's start. Given below are some of the medical devices. Identify them and write their names using the given clues. Okay, the first one, this device is used to measure human body temperature. The device is called thermometer. You can see in this picture, this is thermometer, and we generally use this device to measure the body temperature of human. Next device is, it is a device that is used to measure patient's blood pressure. Okay, this device is used to measure the blood pressure of any human, and the name of this device is sphygmomanometer. Next, this device allows doctor to see inside a human body. You can see this machine or this device allows the doctor to look at the inside of a human body. Next, this device is used to doctor to hear the heartbeat. You must have seen this in the neck of any doctor. This is called stethoscope, and by this device they can hear the heartbeat. Next device, this device uses sound wave to produce an image of internal organs of a human body. If any internal organ, if any doctor wants to see the internal parts of any internal parts of any body, then they use this ultrasound machines. By this sounds allows this machine or this device allows doctor to see see inside organs of human body. Next device is called X-ray machine. This machine creates an image of the inside of the body using radiation. This is a X-ray machine, and this is used and this machine using radiation make the make the picture of the body part of inside any inside body parts image. Okay students, and that's all for now. We will continue to the next chapter in the next session. Thank you.